Alright guys, today's video is a dark green hulled, and basically it's just gotten oxidized. This boat was last detailed at the beginning of this season, just the hull was done by another company, and we were asked to come back and do it again. We're doing the top and hull, but as you can see, even in maybe 6 months or so that it's been since last detail, this is really oxidized right back up. And that's really the problem with dark colors. If you do not keep them maintained from the beginning, they will oxidize very bad. And once they oxidize very bad, it's just a battle to always keep up with and keep in front of that oxidation. Potentially requiring wet sanding. In this case, that's not what we're doing. We're just going to use a really good heavy-duty compound, Meguiar's heavy oxidation remover, and then we're also using Meguiar's diamond cut and Meguiar's flagship premium polymer sealant.